Negative pressure dissection table. This negative pressure dissection table adopts a top-to-bottom airflow design to isolate the working area from the external environment, ensuring safe operation within a confined space. When the system is activated, the fan operates, creating a localized negative pressure in the upper part of the cabinet. Anesthetic gases, animal odors, and other byproducts generated during experiments are drawn through the exhaust vents around the top of the cabinet into the ventilation system and expelled outdoors. The cabinet is equipped with a built-in water supply and drainage system. After experiments, the tray can be cleaned with a high-pressure water gun, and wastewater flows through the drainage holes in the tray into the sink, then exits via the drain into the sewage pipeline. Please avoid disposing of residual tissue into the sink to prevent clogging the drainage system. Suitable for research, biomedicine, animal disease control, and other scenarios. This table utilizes negative pressure isolation technology to block contamination at the source, providing a low-cost solution for safe dissection.